6B 已经开始了。好。Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Tina from ORTUR.
Hello everyone, this is Mavis from ORTUR.
Yes, and today we are going to show to you is our new product, the ORTUR Laser Master 3. Yes, right?
Yes, for most of our users here, they want us to introduce more information and features about our new products.
Yes, and for today we are going. Before we're going to show to you. Last time we have a live stream for this, and last time we engraved two pictures. The one picture is for this little girl, and another picture is for this cat. For this little girl, it's take for the last time we are use our new product, our Laser Master 3, but it's only take 1 hour 17 minutes for finish this little girl picture, and for this one it take 32 minutes to finish this cat. Mavis, do you have idea if we are not using our new product, how long it will take if we want to engraving the same picture and also with the same size for this picture?
Yeah, I have ever tried this in maybe almost about 4 hours, right?
Yes, if we are not using our new product for our ORTUR Laser Max 3, maybe before it will take around 3 to 4 hours to finish such size and send picture for this one. But for the last time live stream, we used our new machine to engraving the picture. It's only take the 1 hour 70 minutes to finish this. And now today, before we start to cutting, and because last time we are doing our machines to engraving the different works for all you guys, but a lot of our friends are asking and they want to say what about the cutting. So today we are going to use our new product to show you about for this machine for the cutting function. And today, at first, we will do a little test. For this test, we are for the 10 millimeter acrylic and 10 millimeter plywood. For these two material, we just use our machine. Just need one pass for 10 millimeter. So, Rich, everything ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's reach to start our machine. Now the machine is start working now.
Just one pass to cut 10 millimeters.
Yes, just one pass. And for this laser, just for the power is the 10 watts, right?
Yes. Oh, it seems so strong.
So for this, our 10 watts for this power, it can achieve for cut the acrylic just for one pass.
And we have ever tested about 30 millimeters acrylic.
Yes.
Yeah, we also can cut it through multi passes.
Yes. Also, so that means for this power, it's very strong for, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. And maybe later we will use the meters to test it, to measure it.
Yeah, we will show them how thick about this acrylic.
Yes, it's two. All this is two figures, two data for this, right?
Yes.
And we are going to show it to you is the real test to all you guys. Okay.
It's finished.
Okay. The light is okay. The light is off. Let me take it. Okay. This is our acrylic, and
wow.
Yes.
Here. I think you just get it out very easy, right?
Yes. This is for we just cut by one pass. Let's test it.
Okay.
Okay. Show to our friends.
Yes, about 10 millimeters.
Okay.
Wow, we really did that just one
Yes,
pass.
we did this, really did, and this is a real test. We just finished, and it's just one pass for cut this one.
Yes.
Okay, let's test another one.
Yeah, we will try the wood, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys, we stop a little because we have some internet problems.
Okay, maybe we need to stop for later because there are a later internet problem. And maybe later we will start again, right?
Yes, we need to adjust the internet.
Okay, no problem.
Hello guys, we have adjusted the internet, so just wait a second and I will show you the 10 millimeters accurate. So we only use the 10 watts that we can cut 10 millimeters. Okay guys, but we will start to do start the live stream with the
Start from the first beginning. Start again.
Start again, okay.
Okay. Everything or internet okay now?
Yeah, we use your phone, okay?
Okay?
So we need to start adjust. We adjusted again about the video and camera, okay?
Start again from at the first beginning.
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Tina from ORTUR.
Hello everyone, this is Mavis from ORTUR.
Yes, and today we are going showing to you is our new product, ORTUR Laser Master 3.
Yes, I think for most of our friends just wanna let us to introduce more functions or features about our new products.
Yes, and before we introduce this to you, I have to mention about for the last time the live stream. Last time we engraved two pictures. One is for this little girl and another one is for this cat. For these two, for the last time when we engrave this, it takes the 1 hour 17 minutes to finish this picture to engraving. And for this one, we take the 32 minutes to finish this little cat. And Mavis, do you have any idea because last time we are using our new product, ORTUR Laser Master 3 to engrave this. But if without this machine, we are using other machine, do you have an idea for how long it will take if we want to engraving this for the same size and the same picture to finish this one? It's how long it will take?
Yeah, I think this photo has so many details. Maybe you will spend almost 4 hours.
Yes, that's true. If before we are not using the new product ORTUR Laser Master 3 for this same size, the same size and the same picture, it will take around 3 or 4 hours to finish for this picture. But now we are using the new product, ORTUR Laser Master 3. It only takes 1 hour 70 minutes to finish this, right?
Yes.
And now today we are using the machine to achieve the cutting function to show all you guys. Because last time our live stream, a lot of our friends say, what about the cutting? Some people want to see more about the cutting for our new machine. So for today, at first we are going to start for the cutting, do a test. The test is for the 10 millimeter for the ugly material and also the plywood material for just one pass.
Yeah, only one pass for 10 millimeters.
Yes, just one pass for the 10 millimeters. Rich, can you help us to start the machine to work now? Okay. Now the machine is start working now. Okay, let's see. For this our new machine for this new product, Auto Laser Master 3, it will achieve for the one pass cutting for the 10 millimeter.
Yeah, and our laser motor is about 10 watts, right?
Yes, it's only just 10 watts. But for the 10 watts, it's enough to cut for our 10 millimeters. So I think it's very strong, right?
Yes.
Strong. And when this one part finished, and we will show you for the closely to show you, and by our this tool to test to show you guys. After when we finish this one is the material for the acrylic, and then after we test the acrylic, also we will test for the 10 millimeter the plywood. Yes, okay, now the one cutting pass already finished. Okay, let me show you for this one.